Yes, I have had my hair cut shorter, and no, I'm not sure if I like it or not. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alice. I do makeup tutorials and reviews and things like that here on YouTube, so if that sounds like something you want to see, then make sure you carry on watching, and also it would mean a lot if you could subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills collection. This is like a limited edition collection where they aren't bringing it into stores, in Sephora or anything. It's just going to be online, so it'll be on the UK website and the American website, I believe. Guys, I am on ABH PR, finally. I cannot believe it. I'm so happy. This is my first ABH new release PR package. They sent me a huge package the other week and it was mad. This is my first new release package from them and it's so beautiful. Even the boxes, how pretty are they? I think they have a daytime and a sunset collection. So the more pink vibes is the daytime collection, and then the more purple vibes is the sunset collection. So this is the pink one, this is the daytime collection, and this is what the package looks like. They've literally sent us the cutest pink heart sunglasses. Now I had a thing for sunglasses last year when it was summer, so I'm so excited to be able to wear sunglasses again. Even though I don't really wear them, I usually just wear them in photos, but yeah. Anyway, I have some red heart sunglasses exactly like this. There are two metallic liquid lipsticks. I feel like I'm going to use as eyeliner today. So there's the shade Bellini, which is more of a pink shade, and then the shade Sunset Punch, which is more purpley but still quite pinky. But this is the daytime quad. So the gold is Sunny, the light brown shade is Sandcastle, the rose gold is Rose Quartz, and the orangey shade is Papaya. And I love this packaging as well. I'm obsessed with it. I truly love that package. And then this is the sunset collection, so the more purple collection, and there's purple glasses in here. I am so excited about these glasses, both of them, and they've got the little ABH logo on the side. This is what it looks like inside. Oh! Even the detail on this part of the box is amazing. There are two lip glosses in this one. So there is a pink one, which is Pink Daiquiri, and more bluey purpley one is Blue Hawaii. They are so stunning. I think the pink one will be good for like more everyday kind of looks, and then this one will be good for like cool looks. So this is the Sunset Quad. So this shade is Birkin, Blue Flash, Streak, and Horizon. It's got more of a bluey tone here and then a darker brown. I'm so happy right now. So I'm so grateful for ABH for sending me this package. Obviously my review is going to be 100% honest. I am always honest. Just because they sent it to me doesn't mean I'm going to be biased or anything. I'm super grateful for them sending it to me, but that doesn't mean I'm going to lie. Someone commented the other day that I look like a baby without makeup. I was like, I think it might have been because my hair was tied back as well, but it shook me. I'm going to prime my eyelids with the P. Louise base in the shade 01. I'm firstly going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills A13 brush. I'm going to take this shade, which I think is Horizon, because it's the darkest. This is out of the Sunset palette, and I'm going to pack that into my crease. That is so pigmented, like I'm hardly dipping in my brush. And it's a really unique shade, like it's a purpley, like cool toned browny bluey shade. I can't describe shade names. I'm sorry if that was out of focus, by the way. With the same brush, I'm just kind of blending that out a little bit because the other shades are quite light, so they might be quite hard to blend into it. It does have a little bit of shimmer in it, which I really don't like usually. But I don't mind if it's like the darkest colour because you're not blending it really. If it was like a lighter colour with a bit of shimmer in it, I would have been a bit like, no thanks. Anyway, I'm going in with the shade Birkin, I think it is. A little bit above and a little bit on that first shade. So I'm just taking a bit of the first shade just to pack it on again because I did lose a bit of it, and to help blend those two together. Okay, so that is that for now. And I'm going to go in with Papaya from the daytime one, I think it is. There is very pigmented. And this is going to go above slash a little bit on the Birkin shade, I think it is. Okay, so that went on nicely, but I need to go back in with the other shades. I do this all the time anyway. So I'm going with the first shade again. Okay, that middle shade was pretty pointless because it's just kind of got lost. They're blending okay. But obviously it's quite hard to blend a dark shadow in with a lighter shadow. I'm now going to cut my crease with some more of the Pure Louise base. I'm using the ABH A4 brush. I'm going to take the first shade again, so what's it called? It is called Horizon, and I'm going to pack that. The outer section of this double cut crease I'm going to have going on. And this doesn't have to be very neat because I'm going to clean it up and stuff afterwards. But I'm now going to take the shade Blue Flash and I'm going to pack that on my lid next to that shade. Oh, that's pretty. I don't think I have any shades like this in my collection, and I have a lot of eyeshadows. It's just so pretty. It's like a muted bluey purpley with a hint of pink in it shadow. So I'm going to use the shade Sunny, which is the gold. I know it doesn't really go with this kind of look, but I just want to use it. It's so cute. Look at that. So I've just cleaned these edges up a little bit. I haven't done it properly. I will do it a bit more in a second, but just as a rough kind of guide. Now I think I'm going to go in with the liquid lipstick. I think I'm going to go in with Sunset Punch actually. I was going to go in with Bellini, but I'm just going in with a small liner brush. This is actually a paintbrush. So I'm just going to line where that gap is from the cut crease. I'm going to move on to my base. I'm going to try a mixture of the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and the Ordinary Serum foundation. So then I just took the Morphe concealer underneath my eyes, and I'm now going to take my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Just put that where I crease. So I've taken the shade Horizon. I'm going to pack this underneath my eyes. Then I'm going to take the Papaya shade and blend that out underneath. Now I'm setting underneath my eyes with the Laura Mercier powder. Okay, so ABH, when they first sent over the package, sent me over some bronzers and blushes, but I'm going to do the bronzers first. I think I'm going to go in with the shade Rosewood. I think that's the lightest shade. This is what it looks like. And yeah, I'm just going to go in with this A19 brush from ABH as well. ABH brushes do shed a bit. I don't know if that stops after you wash them, because obviously I haven't washed them yet. I mean, I've heard you're supposed to wash brushes before you use them, but you've got time for that. Quite a red toned warm bronzer. And now just putting a little bit of powder underneath my bronzer just to sharpen it up a bit. And I also got 3 blush trios. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. I'm going to go in with Peachy Love and the shade Nectarine, I think, this one. I'm going to take the Anastasia A22 brush. Firstly, just spray my face. This is just from Morphe. It's the continuous setting spray. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with the Aurora Glow Kit. I haven't tried this glow kit yet. I think I'm going to go in with Eclipse and also use the A23 brush, which is my first time using this brush. I'm so excited. That's nice. And I just used the Sleek Ola Liner. Ola Liner, or Ola Liner, oh, Ooh La La Liner, got it, in Venom. Okay, so these lashes are the Bold Faced Makeup Make It Count lashes. I do want to use one of the new lip glosses, but I do need something else underneath. So I'm going to use the ABH lipstick in Honey. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with the lip gloss in Pink Daiquiri. Obviously it's kind of blended in with the lipstick, but it gives such a nice little pink tinge to the lips. But also this will probably look beautiful underneath a pink lipstick or something like that. So I think this is the finished look. I'm super pleased with the product. I'm happy with how the shadows performed. I do like ABH formula, and the glosses and the metallic lipstick on my eyes look nice as well. So yeah, this is the finished look using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills collection, the daytime and the sunset collection. Thank you so much again to ABH for sending this out to me. Really, really appreciate it. And oh, I want to put one of the glasses on. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you are new. It would really mean a lot. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. It's Alice King Makeup if you want to go follow me over there. But yeah, I really hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.